Earthworms are the unsung heroes of every thriving garden. They aerate the soil, enrich it with castings, and improve water retention and root penetration in ways that, honestly, no tool or amendment can match. Yet, many gardeners struggle to attract and keep worms in their raised beds or garden soil. If your soil looks good on the surface but lacks that soft, living, worm-rich texture underneath, the solution may lie in a single, unexpected ingredient: alfalfa pellets. Used traditionally as animal feed, alfalfa pellets are quickly gaining recognition among savvy gardeners for their ability to dramatically increase worm activity in the soil. These small, compressed cylinders of alfalfa are more than just plant matter. They are rich in nitrogen, micronutrients, and most importantly, a natural plant growth hormone called triacontanol. This unique combination doesn't just feed plants, it feeds the entire soil food web, including the microbial life that earthworms rely on for survival. Alfalfa pellets work on multiple levels to attract worms. When buried a few inches below the surface and moistened, the pellets swell and begin to decompose, releasing an aroma that signals a fresh food source to nearby worms. Unlike raw compost or kitchen scraps that can take time to break down or risk attracting pests, alfalfa pellets are clean, concentrated, and begin decomposing rapidly in the presence of moisture and microbial life. This makes them ideal for use directly in raised beds, especially in new or depleted soils where biological activity is low. What makes alfalfa pellets truly special is their ability to jumpstart microbial activity. Earthworms feed primarily on decomposing organic matter and the microbes that break it down. When alfalfa is added to the soil, microbial populations explode, creating a buffet that draws earthworms in from the surrounding soil. Once they find this consistent food source, they stay, reproduce, and begin their quiet transformation of the soil structure. Within a few weeks, even lifeless soil begins to show signs of renewed health. Light tunneling, softening texture, and eventually the unmistakable presence of earthworm castings near the surface. To use alfalfa pellets effectively, you want to water them thoroughly before or after burying them. This triggers decomposition and makes the nutrients more accessible to microbes and worms alike. A common approach is to dig narrow trenches in the bed about 4 to 6 inches deep, add a thin layer of pellets, cover them back with soil, and then soak the area well. This depth protects the material from surface pests while putting it directly in the root and worm zone. In just a few days, the soil becomes more active and you'll start to notice signs of worm movement begin to appear. For raised bed gardeners where the soil mix is often too sterile or fast draining to support earthworm life, alfalfa pellets provide a game-changing addition. Many commercial soil blends lack the microbial diversity or organic richness that worms require, but alfalfa introduces both nutrients and biological stimulation in one step. It helps create the living conditions that support not just worms, but the beneficial bacteria, fungi, and protozoa that make healthy soil truly come alive. Alfalfa also has the added benefit of being a balanced amendment. Unlike kitchen waste, which can sometimes swing too far toward nitrogen or carbon, alfalfa contains a near-perfect blend of elements needed to support decomposition without imbalance. It won't heat up the soil excessively or create acidic patches the way certain raw ingredients might. Instead, it fosters gentle, consistent decay, the kind worms really prefer. Over time, adding alfalfa pellets can help rebuild your soil structure from the inside out. As worms tunnel through the enriched soil, they mix organic material evenly, improve aeration, and enhance moisture retention. The tunnels they leave behind also become passageways for roots and water, improving overall plant health. Their castings enrich the topsoil, delivering a continuous source of slow-release nutrients exactly where plants need them most. While alfalfa pellets are not the only material that can attract worms, they stand out because of how easy they are to use, how clean they are to handle, and how effectively they spark life in both raised beds and in-ground gardens. When used strategically throughout the growing season, early spring, mid-season refreshes, and in fall prep, they can establish and sustain a worm population that works quietly through every stage of the garden cycle. If your soil feels compacted, depleted, or just kind of dead, alfalfa pellets might honestly be the secret ingredient you've been missing. There's really no need for synthetic worm attractants or all those constant composting chores. With just a single buried layer of this natural material, you can invite earthworms to move in and start the work of transforming your soil from the ground up. To see the best results, keep the area consistently moist but not soaked. Add a thick layer of mulch over the top to help preserve moisture and give earthworms a habitat-friendly surface. You'll want to avoid tilling or disturbing the soil where you've buried the pellets. Earthworms really do prefer stable environments, and a no-dig approach supports their movement and breeding. Within about a month, you'll start to notice deeper soil penetration, better plant growth, and most importantly, the return of vital underground life. For gardeners who want to spend less time fixing soil problems and more time just enjoying lush, productive beds, this one simple addition can seriously make all the difference. Alfalfa pellets act as both a soil amendment and a worm magnet, making them easily one of the most underrated tools in any gardener's arsenal. If this guide gave you a new perspective on how to bring your soil to life, be sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven for more hands-on, soil-first gardening solutions. Share this with a fellow gardener whose raised beds could use a boost, and join the growing movement of growers who are letting worms lead the way to better soil, better plants, and a better harvest.